But here's the honest truth. Talking alone doesn't always cover everything. Kids spend hours every day on their phones. Messaging apps, social media, video platforms. It's a non-stop digital world. And most of it happens quietly, behind screens and locked apps. So for parents, it can feel almost impossible to really see what's going on. That's where modern parental monitoring tools come into play. And forget the old school idea of sneaking around like a detective just to install some complicated app. In 2026, things are way more simple and way more advanced. Imagine having one clean, easy dashboard where you can stay updated on messages, calls, live location, and social media activity, all in one place. That's SpyX. SpyX is built for parents who want clarity without the stress. It keeps things simple, smooth, and honestly pretty hassle-free. Think of it like this. Your phone is their phone. Unlike old-fashioned monitoring apps that need complicated setups, rooting, or jailbreaking, SpyX uses smart cloud-based technology. That means setup is quick, remote, and doesn't require technical headaches. And let's be real, many traditional tools are clunky. They slow things down, drain battery, or get detected easily. SpyX takes a cleaner, more modern approach with seamless syncing and quiet background monitoring. One of the biggest features is simple but powerful: phone activity tracking. Parents can check call logs, contacts, and text messages through a clear dashboard. It helps you quickly understand who your child is talking to and catch any warning signs early before things turn into bigger problems. Today's kids live on apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Messenger, TikTok, and YouTube. SpyX brings all that activity together in one place, showing chats, shared media, and overall communication patterns in a clean and easy way. It's not about spying all the time, it's about staying aware when it matters. Then comes location tracking, which adds real peace of mind. With real-time GPS updates and location history, parents can see where their child has been throughout the day. And the geofencing feature makes it even more useful. You can set safe zones like home or school and get instant alerts if your child leaves or enters those areas. It feels simple, but it's actually very powerful for everyday safety. Photos and videos stored on the device are also visible in the dashboard, helping parents understand what kind of content is being saved or shared. Everything updates in real time, so new activity shows up almost instantly. SpyX also includes advanced live monitoring tools. It can show real-time screen activity, what's being typed, watched, or scrolled at that moment. It can also capture surrounding audio, take hidden screenshots, and even activate the camera remotely, all from the dashboard. Instead of only seeing what already happened, you get a live snapshot of what's happening right now. How to set up. SpyX setup is designed to be simple and stress-free. For iPhone users, SpyX connects through the iCloud account. If backups are enabled, setup can be completed remotely in just a few minutes. For Android users, there's a guided step-by-step setup inside the dashboard. It's straightforward and easy to follow, and once done, everything syncs automatically to the cloud. No confusion, no technical mess. Click the link in the description and pinned comment to try SpyX today. It takes less than 5 minutes to secure their digital world and give yourself total peace of mind. And if this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with other parents who want a safer online space for their kids.